Oh, Jenny, taxi driver, just arrived at Swanepoel, and we've either got an alien invasion or COVID's gone mental. We've just arrived to travel to. Oh, there's more of them like in suits. What's going on? Look at it. It's even a little nipper there. Look, in a scaring the shit out of me now. But we are off to Leoi Jungle Fishing Park. Going to meet Jez Hibbard for the first time. Been chatting with him on the internet. He's invited us up to check out some new fish that he's got arriving. Some special new fish. Won't even tell me what they are. So it's going to be interesting. He's very excited, and yeah, he's treating us to a few days fishing. Unfortunately, it could be at the weekend when Dan's act was about. So myself and Jenny are travelling up. What day is it today? Tuesday. Yeah. Fishing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Fish arriving tomorrow. So hopefully get 3 days of fishing in. Make 3 videos, all being well. I can catch a few fish. Loaded up with pop-ups and all the rest of it. Bit of fishing stuff, loads of clothes because Jenny's coming. I only got 3 days. Oh, sorry. But this is a got my sticker on. That means I'm safe. Well, as far as I know. So yeah, we're in the airport and we are flying to Udon. Jez has kindly offered to nip over to Udon airport to pick us up, and he's just come out of quarantine himself, come back from work, so he'll be buzzing. Fish arriving tomorrow, buzzing, and yeah, we'll have to watch ourselves with the alcohol consumption when everybody's too excited. It's a dangerous combo. But we'll see how it's going. We'll just about to check in. We're flying up with Thai Smile. Let's hope we're smiling when we get off the plane. See you later. Classic bit of Thai driving there. We just just having a fag before we drive over to the fishing park. We've just met for the first time, and then crunch. 2 trucks have just hit out. That's not a sign of things to come. But oh look, it's 2 women driving.
Under the window, mate, you'll be able to get a good...
Just coming into Loei now, and there's the Loei. Here he is. It looks pretty scary. Yeah. So there's that one. There we go. First time to Loei. There we go. There's the sign. Loei.
Do some fishing down there on Saturday and Sunday. I've only just dug that one out, John. 20 minutes here. Then there's like another one.
Look at that, big pontoon there. We are just approaching the entrance to the Leoi Jungle Fishing Park. And is this a lake here? Can you fish that one?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Like I'm normally on a Saturday or a Sunday. They go. Go past another one, and then we'll go into like our little village.
Yeah.
Little restaurant down there.
Is there?
Yeah. And we're literally say about 1.5 minutes away, John. Just so you know.
1.5 minutes from the entrance. Lovely mountain range there on the horizon. Leoi, I think it's believe looking in the encyclopedia earlier, it means Sea of Mountains. That was the encyclopedia I looked in. Yes.
Totally true, I will say that.
There we go, just literally coming into the entrance now. Lovely little windy roads.
So this
nice
is
wooden houses. Hello.
Cam, John,
We're coming over a little river here, are we?
Yeah, a little bridge, little river.
There we go. That's
Probably dry.
it is.
A lot of the farmers have been using the water, yeah.
Right.
Okay, so we'll be turning right here. Okay. Right down, and then you'll see a sign saying Loei Jungle Fishing Lake.
Go. There's the sign you're looking out for. That's the right turn.
And then onto the concrete road.
Oh. What's the plantation? It's not. Is it rubber?
Not too sure.
No, I don't know if it is.
I don't think it's
No.
okay, mate. Are you ready?
Here we go. Oh, look at that there. See the mountains?
It's a shame that that tree has grown, yeah. Because normally you can see like the house and everything, yeah.
There we go.
So coming into Leoi Jungle Fishing Lake. So here's the bungalow where you will be, John.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, lovely. Right in the middle of the rice paddies, isn't it?
Oh, proper, yeah, mate.
Yeah. There's a mountain over
Just
there.
through
Here's the entrance.
the
There
main
we
gate.
go. First look at Leoi Jungle Fishing Park. Look at that. There's the lake. There's the welcome party.
Yeah.
There we go. Beautiful.
I think you've got enough room there, mate.
Home and host.
Yeah, man.
Let's do it. Yeah, so it's Jenny. Just come into the restaurant area, or if the well, I suppose it's the tackle up area, clubhouse. Yeah, that's a better word for it. And got some nice photos around the wall of some of the fish that are in here. It's brilliant. These are the best times when you stock in the lake. You got some stingray there, Catla carp, Siamese, little Arapama there, Pacu, Mekong, alligator, tambaki. That's he's a ripsaw. Is that one of those Raphael? It's like a leopard there. And you got a tackle area. What else we got here? Some red tails. You got a lovely albino featherback there. Albino striped catfish. That's why. Featherback, proper featherback there. Spotted featherback. That's not a ripsaw.
Yeah, it's a ripsaw.
It is a ripsaw, is it? Yeah.
That's when we first put them in, but they're a lot bigger
I
now.
bet they are. They do grow well, don't they?
Yeah.
And then you got the scene. There's the scene. There's the lake. There's the bungalow where Jenny and myself will be sleeping tonight. And 2 main pegs.
Yeah, got another one here.
Another one
Yeah,
here.
they're the main pegs, yeah.
They're the main pegs. And then
We'll fish
there's an
over
area
there.
here.
We'll fish over there tomorrow.
Yep.
Or whenever you want to.
Another decent alligator there now, just there. Different. The other one was quite black just now, like a melanistic gar. And then, well, as soon as we turned up, we seen a couple of gar cruising around. Some good meat. Oh, there's an arowana right under our feet, look. And a red tail, just doing a meet and greet. Look at these red tails here. Let's see if we can get them to come up. I don't know if you can see that. There's a arowana there. That's not the African one, is it?
No, mate. That's
Ah.
the Brazilian one.
Yeah. He's go and have a look. Lovely. Chucking stuff down my pants. I haven't got any on. He's loving it. He's really keen. Oh, I wish I had a rod. I had one for a long time actually, since the old Amazon in 2008. That was the last time I had an arowana. Yeah. That'd be nice. Beautiful. Lovely time of day. Sort of bite time now as well. Yeah. You'd be catching now. Oh, got the juices flowing. Yeah, wandering along the main bank. Oh, some little tiny tilapia or Java barb there. Living a dangerous life. Sitting area here. Mainly for sitting and looking Nice reeds. Come along here. Some water coming in there. Lovely little corner, very fishy corner there. Similar depth all over, or does it vary?
Vary, I'll tell
Yeah,
you all about it.
yeah. Ah, lovely spot here. Sun rises in front of us, just told me, from behind the mountains, and then we'll come out here in the morning and sit in the swing, probably. Hello, what's this? Oh, we got a tilapia pond here, look. I remember you making this one and doing some posts on it.
Yeah, it's all right, man.
Yeah.
Not too bad. It's nice and cold though, mate.
Is it?
Oh, it's lovely.
That'll be nice, wouldn't it?
Nice.
That'll be lovely.
A couple of beers in there.
Yeah.
In the afternoon or something.
Yeah, it saves you having to go for a wee then, doesn't it?
Exactly. Have a look in the bungalow, mate. Do some video.
Lovely.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Couple of lovebirds. Not me and Jenny. The towels. Yeah. Beautiful. I've done it lovely, mate.
So Netflix, YouTube on there, John.
Oh, excellent.
We'll give you the Wi-Fi password and all that later.
Brilliant.
Got Wi-Fi all the way around the lake, everywhere when you go.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's got everything, mate.
Yeah.
Obviously, tea, coffee round there.
Yeah.
Drinks, fridge and that.
Yeah.
Cold drinks and stuff in there.
Lovely. Jenny's packing the fridge. Some chocolate cake there. It's probably been shook up a bit. Let's go and have a little wander around the lake. Is that the one? Yeah. There we go.
So that's my closest neighbour.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is the walking along the west bank now. Not the Gaza Strip.
Yeah, so we'll fish this area, John.
There we go. This will be the main swim.
Pick the sides, whatever you want,
Yeah.
and I'll take the opposite side.
Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah, nice backdrop, eh?
Yeah, it is beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Absolutely gorgeous, and the different depths. What was that?
So this is sloped,
Yeah.
but it's actually stepped. Sorry.
Okay.
It's stepped, and this is 5 meters in here,
Yeah.
and then
That's
here,
nice, good depth, isn't it? 5 meters deep.
Yeah, and it's stepped here,
Yeah.
and then in the middle, there's a big bar.
Yeah.
That runs right all the way through, a rectangle bar. So that goes, it steps down to 5 meters, steps up to 4 meters, then drops back down to 5, then steps up, and then right through here, it's about, I'd like to say about 2.5 meters at the moment,
Yeah.
and then it will slope all the way down to 5 meters.
Okay.
It will.
Yeah.
And it would go like in an L shape. So we used to call this L-shaped lake. We did.
Hmm. That's
Go for a
pretty,
wander?
isn't it? Lovely and pretty, isn't it? Lovely. There's a aerator there, essential.
Yeah, my missus hacked this to death the other day. That's why there's a lot of grass in the water.
Oh, that's good. Keep it tidy, it's important.
Yeah.
Oh, a fish just came up under the tree there.
Could be either giant gourami.
Yeah, you think gourami.
Yeah.
Paco.
Yeah.
They'll love all that stuff floating in the water. Oh, another arowana. Of course, speed of that was good, wasn't it? How many arowana you got?
Got 10 in here.
10 in, yeah.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, like I say, you know, I normally buy fish in tins, yeah.
Yeah.
And so the lake used to come up to here.
Did it?
But like I said,
Oh, that's where you got the cages.
Yeah, so this
underground.
is why when it flooded, the walls obviously collapsed.
Yeah.
and so we decided to build the gabion wall across there. And like I say, it's all sloped mud.
Yeah.
And then, like I say, where the grass is, the lake used to come up to there.
Yeah.
So we lost about 30 metres. Yeah.
Mm. This is the end of the.
But we didn't want to give up.
The gabion wall, or the Jacob's cages, as they're called. So this has been a reinforced bank because of flooding in the past, and it's probably a deeper lake now than it was before. Was it? This is much higher than, or is it still the same?
Still exactly
Still the same.
Yeah.
Lovely and quiet. So peaceful, isn't it? You can't hear a thing, apart from me.
We do get some arapaimas down here.
Yeah.
We do. They like to hide under the hyacinths, yeah. And then my neighbour is building a tilapia pool on Sawai.
Ah. It's a long way below us, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like the way he's got the straw in there ready to fill it up and start the algae off.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lovely. Look at that.
Yeah, he's done very well.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. He keeps asking us a lot of questions, which is fine, yeah, because I don't mind.
It's an unusual shape to have it kicking in like that. What's he? Deep, innit?
Yeah.
Or will be.
Will be. Yeah, about 5 metres probably.
Ah. I hope he's not tunnelling through to yours and having your fish.
No, he won't. He doesn't want any of my species. Mate.
No, they'll eat most of your
I offered him an alligator gar the other day, yeah?
Yeah.
A 2 metre one that we've got in here. He says, oh, no, I don't want that. Not too shabby, eh?
It's beautiful, lovely. Oh, another arowana. They're really showing. We've seen 3 of them already. There's one down here. I wonder if we can get a glimpse on. It's hard to pick it up on the camera. There she is. Sure if we can see her. Turn in there. Love it, the way they got their heads up constantly looking above them for food.
Like the shovel knives just like to sit along here.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah.
Saw a nice big one yesterday, just sitting there, just waiting for some fish to come along, yeah?
Yeah. I've seen some small Java barb or tilapia over on the concrete over there. What would that have been? Either of those, would it? Or probably...
Yeah, that's probably either Java barb or tilapia.
Yeah.
We normally put in once a month about 3,000 tilapia, small babies.
Yeah.
About an inch.
Yeah.
And it's good for the predators to feed.
Yeah. Yeah, great source of protein. A few of them will get through and get a bit bigger.
That's right, yeah.
And
we've got a cycle going now with the Java barbs and the tilapia.
Yeah.
So we've got that breeding cycle now, which is fantastic.
Yeah.
And the fish are just whacking the kilos on
there.
Yeah.
Another arowana down there. Bigger one, that one. Might better pick that one up.
That looks like a female.
Is it?
Yeah.
Bit moody. Bit moody, is she?
Yeah. Females are long and skinny, yeah?
Yeah.
And the males are a bit fatter.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Like you and me.
Oh, yeah. Des was just explaining that this bank here is a concrete bank along here. This is the one that faces, or the house faces, the lake. So fish like Asian red tails, common carp, probably a few other fish will burrow, and you'll get undermining, and then the bank will gradually work backwards towards the house, and it's dangerous. You end up getting a big storm, or a lot of rain, or a lot of soft land, and you can lose quite a lot at a time, and it can be quite a disaster. So that's a great idea, that keeps everything safe. I reckon it looks like beer o'clock. What do you reckon? Yeah. Well, the first chang's gone down a treat. We're just coming into the early evening. Jez is stood on the steps with a bucket of pellets. And I've got a feeling they can enjoy this. Look at that arowana there. Oh, some lovely little red tails there. That might have been one of the ones that you were saying, Brett. Oh, it's decent red tails there.
Oh, there's a couple of 20s in here, mate.
There we go.
20 kilo.
Is there? There we go.
And the big fish will start coming in and smashing them soon.
Arowana, red tails, little baby leopard there. Alright. Yeah. Right, we'll get the old fish there tomorrow.
See our partner coming in.
Is that what scared him off?
No, she's floating around, she's at the back.
That's it.
Yeah, she's just at the back and then she'll start coming in. See her?
Oh yeah, I do see her now, yeah. Oh yeah. A lot of fish. Decent head of striped catfish.
Yeah, I want to try and take a few of them out. I do.
Yeah, see the white lips, can't you? They're good fish to have for the balance of the lake. They are the garbage collectors, really.
Yeah.
They almost look like they're breeding. You wouldn't have put them in that small, would you? Arowana's still skulking around. I'd like to get one of them. That'd be nice. Something different. Yeah, some big red tails. Yeah.
Yeah, there's quite a few of them females. It's lovely, isn't it?
Another arowana there. They're really visible, the arowana, aren't they? There we go. Look at that. Beautiful prawns cooked in garlic and onions and loads of sauce. We've got a Penang Mo, I think, is it? Penang Mo, what do you reckon, Jenny? Tom Yum Kung, classic. And kapow, made with my favourite, the big green chilies, the Peackok.
Yeah.
Bit of rice. The lake behind. Here's the chef on our way.
Come on, boo. Come on, Benny. Benny Leoi. Come say hello. Say hello to the video camera.
The chef.
Oh, hello.
Lovely, looks beautiful. Looking forward to it. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Lovely. $6 and the sun is just peeping over the mountains there. Look at that, what a beautiful morning. There's Jez over there, giving him a wave. Aerators are still on. That's where we'll be fishing today. Fish just coming up here. Down there. It's beautiful, doesn't it? And get our shoes on. Well, it's exciting moments. Got the coffee. It's 7:05 in the morning. And the 3 fish which Jez invited me up to come and see have arrived. And I'm really looking forward to seeing them now. He's let it slip, and he was itching to tell me what they were, and they just sound absolutely amazing. So the truck's just pulled in the gate, and we are wandering around and going to see what they are. Here's the first one. Albino Chinese Big. Oh, lovely fish. Peackok. Lovely.
Yeah. Oh, John?
Yeah. Gorgeous fish.
Oh, it's nice.
That's a lovely fish, that.
Hang on, mate, I've got something going on here. That's it.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's heavy. Nah.
Yeah, it's nice, though. Okay, mate, that's good.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, he's in mint condition.
Yeah, nice, eh?
Beautiful, isn't he? A tiny bit there, that's about it.
Yeah. Hey, John. Any more? Are we good? Yeah, it's
Lovely
beautiful.
fish, that one.
Yeah, nice size, eh? I think maybe a bit bigger than 13 kilos, yeah? What do you think?
I would have said that's 30 pounds.
Yeah. Just hold that. Oh, you're right, John?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah, good luck. Okay.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Nice, yeah?
Yeah. Peackok Bass there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Nice
beautiful.
male, yeah?
Yeah. We've got two
Got two
lovely
more of
big
these coming.
Albino Chinese Big head. Peackok Bass, two more Peackok Bass, a granulated catfish, and then the very special fish that we can't mention. Very strong.
Oh, that's a nice photo. Yeah, I'm good.
Beautiful Peackok Bass, first one I've ever held in my hands. Lovely. Beautiful. Look at that spot on the tail, which gives them their name. Oh, isn't it? Lovely.
Okay, buddy.
Beautiful.
อย่างนี้ได้ไหมอ่ะ
ได้ไม่ได้ไม่ดิ้นมาก
Watch your shadow, stay at the sun. That's it. Never seen one. Totally different mouth, isn't it?
Yeah, nice one.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Lovely, that's a granulated catfish, I believe. You'll put a spray? All right. Well, we just had a warm-up axe, huge Albino Chinese Big heads, two of them, probably both of them around 30 pound. Three Peackok Bass, two Peackok Bass, three Peackok Bass, and a granulated catfish. Got me on the end of the thumb. I was told to use gloves, and I'm too stubborn. But that's a lovely photo without the gloves. And now we got the extra special fish, which Jez has invited me and Jenny up to see. And here comes the first one. This is going to be This is going to be amazing just to see it for the first time.
Very special fish.
I'm a bit worried about it. Oh, look at that. Wow, I just got my eyes don't even compute it. Go on, mate.
Go on, bud. You grab the head and I'll grab the tail.
ระวังนะคะพี่แคร์
All right, mate.
This is a Catla mirror cross. Very.
Strong bugger.
Very. They've had a long journey, but they're still all right.
I got it.
Yeah. Look at that. Just can't, my eyes can't work it out.
อินเดียมี5ตัวใน
It's got a Catla body, Catla head, and yet it's got a linear / mirror carp scale pattern. Crazy. Never thought I'd see anything like that before in my life. Beautiful.
Perfect condition as well.
That's
Perfect
lovely, isn't
condition.
it? Look at that. Beautiful.
เก็บตรงนี้มันจะแข็งมาก
Oh, for spray. Do you need a spray? Okay for spray?
กาแฟนะคะ
Feel that?
เรื่องดีมีเข้าไปในเดียว
That's amazing.
อืม
โบสผมได้ลูกนี้จากตัว
Right. Oh, they're nice in the water, aren't they? I'll tell you what, he's lively, isn't he?
Yeah, nice, eh?
Okay, that'll do.
It's the second one.
Different colour there.
Two. See the different patterns? Yeah. This one's this has got a narrower scale pattern. Beautiful fish, similar size. Yeah, look at the scales on the tail. They're all 20 pounds, aren't they? Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's got some power, hasn't he? He lifted himself up. Nice out, John. Beautiful. Yeah, it's lovely. Perfect condition. I can't believe it. Honestly, I can't believe it. Very bad. Very good. Yeah. That's going to be nice in that light. I can sort of feel that's a nice photo. Nice bit of video. What do you think? Awesome. Yeah. Look at the depth on that. It's like big shouldered. And they're quite heavy. Look at that Catla head, Catla mouth. Oh, nice photo there, is it?
And to put the tail up more.
Nah, that's okay. So I don't want to take too long. Sheesh, yeah. She's sort of kick yourself out a bit as well.
2 inch and then not.
Your head down, lift the fish up a fraction, get your head down a fraction. Oh, that's it, that's lovely, that's the love. That's how we've got a massive head. Oh, there's something next to us. Okay. Yeah, that's in perfect condition, that. Oh, shit. What, bud? Yeah, look at that one. The last one of the three. This one's a bit more linear than the other ones. Yeah. But they're all absolutely amazing. Good condition. Well, these three fish have just gone into Loei Jungle Fishing Park and they're there for you to catch. Something very, very different. Along with a granulated catfish, 2 massive albino big heads and 3 peacock bass. Not bad, is it? Let's get fishing.